Not. It is a talkative and melodious bird whose only wish is to kiss the sun and reach him. So, Targa decides to fly to the sun to see him up close. The other birds dissuade him from doing so, and tell him stories of birds that have gone to the sun but never returned. But Tarka, who is sure of his decision, takes help from the oldest born of the earth, Sea. And Say replies to him, "The only way to reach the sun is to say 1001 names of God until you reach the sun." Targa memorizes all the names of God and flies towards the sun. He uttered 1,000 names, and when he was only a little away from reaching the sun, he forgot the 1001 name and burned in the arms of the sun.